Since Ferrotec was established, it has cultivated its technologies through the production of semiconductor cooling element thermoelectric modules. They switch between positive and negative currents to instantly and precisely perform heating and cooling. They are also compact, lightweight, and produce no vibration or noise, making them products with tremendous potential. Various products containing these thermoelectric modules are used in our daily lives. For example, the climate control seats in high-end automobiles use cold or hot air to adjust temperatures, making driving more comfortable. These devices are also used in negative ion air conditioners and air purifiers. They are also used in compact refrigerators, wine cellars, shavers, facial care equipment, and other home appliances. Thermoelectric modules are being used in devices in a growing range of fields, such as genetic testing devices, communications equipment, semiconductor devices, and have tremendous potential for further growth. The world is increasingly focusing on reducing power consumption. The key devices used to achieve lower power consumption are power semiconductor substrates. This is a heat-dissipating insulated substrate created through the bonding of alumina and aluminum nitride ceramics to a copper circuit board via eutectic reaction. It contributes to greater efficiency and energy savings by making it possible to create more compact and lightweight inverters, reducing power loss. It is a critical part for the electrical control essential for hybrid vehicles and electric vehicles. In addition to the automobile industry, these products have tremendous potential to contribute to miniaturization and energy savings in many fields, including trains, power transmission, servers, and home appliances. Along with thermoelectric modules, ferrofluid has been one of Ferrotec's products since the company was first founded. Ferrofluid was developed by the NASA's space program in the early 1960s when exploring how to convey liquid fuel in zero gravity. Surfactants are used to disperse magnetic particles in water or oil, providing the unique property of reacting to magnetic fields. Ferrofluids are one of the Ferrotec's core products and are typically used in products such as vacuum feed-throughs. For example, they are also used in car speakers and 4K television speakers for greater audio quality. They are also used for waterproofing on fishing rod reels. They prevent corrosion within the reel and ensure smooth reel rotation. In recent years, they are also being used in smartphone linear vibration motors. Ferrofluids serve as damping materials and help create vibration aligned with telephone functions. Vacuum feed-throughs, which use Ferrotec's core technology of ferrofluids, are essential products for the semiconductor and FPD industries, and we have maintained the world's largest vacuum feed-through market share. Vacuum feed-throughs are used in the FPD manufacturing equipment and transport robots used in the manufacture of LCD and OLED panels for large televisions and smartphones, and are also indispensable in semiconductor production equipment, LEDs, and photovoltaic manufacturing equipment. For example, flat panel manufacturing requires clean, dust-free spaces, so vacuum feed-throughs are essential for conveying rotational movement in clean environments. Ferrofluid is used as a sealing material that utilizes magnetic fields to retain the seal performance of vacuum feed-throughs. Vacuum feed-throughs are functional components that play an extremely important role in manufacturing processes in clean environments. Ferrotec is now using vacuum feed-throughs in precision robots. We also manufacture CT scanner and MRI chambers that use vacuum feed-through technology. We are expanding our range of applied products through our contract manufacturing services. Fabricated quartzware is essential for the manufacturing of semiconductors and LEDs, as it is used in production equipment such as wafer boats and cleaning tanks. Fabricated quartzware can withstand both high temperature and active gas, making it an ideal receptacle for wafers, which must be kept free of impurities. For example, fabricated quartzware wafer stockers are used in the washing and oxidation processing of wafer layer deposition, essential in the manufacturing of flash memory, CPUs, and communications chips. Fabricated quartzware is also used in the manufacturing of the LEDs used as backlights for LCD televisions. Trays and quartz process tubes, called flow channels, are also essential while using gas to heat treat the wafers for LED sapphire substrates. Increases in network speeds and bandwidths are also expected to create greater demand for 3D NAND flash memory for infrastructure such as communications devices and servers. This will cause switchover demand for semiconductor production equipments and supplies, so demand is likely to grow for Ferrotec's fabricated quartzware, ceramic products, and CVD SiC products. Ceramic products are essential in the manufacturing processes used in the semiconductor, medical device, and automobile fields. Ferrotec offers a full lineup of fine ceramics and machinable ceramics products. Fine ceramics have exceptional levels of purity and precision, and superb heat and chemical resistance. We supply fine ceramics to Japanese and overseas semiconductor production equipment manufacturers. Demand has recently risen for their use in essential components for dry etching machines, which generate plasma from reactive gas to irradiate microstructure circuit boards with ions. Machinable ceramics offer greater processability without sacrificing precision workability. They can be drilled with thin holes even smaller than a human hair. Demand is high for these ceramics used in inspection equipment, for application processors, and flash memory used in smartphones and other devices. In recent years, their precision workability has gained greater recognition, and demand has increased for their use in the optical elements of holding parts for endoscopes. They are also used in medical ultrasound equipment and are expected to see further growth. CVD-SiC products used in semiconductor production equipment, such as jigs and other components, are positioned as a material product growth driver. SiC is a compound composed of one silicon atom and one carbon atom. SiC is the third hardest material on Earth, following diamond and boron carbide. It is oxidation and corrosion resistant, highly heat tolerant, and stable even at a temperature of 2000 degrees. Ferrotec manufactures this SiC from gas containing silicon and carbon using a process called CVD. When manufacturing wafers, for example, a disc of graphite is entirely coated with SiC using the CVD process. The edge is then cut off, and high-temperature oxidation is used to eliminate the graphite base. This procedure is repeated until the final wafer is completed. CVD-SiC is a material of great interest to industries such as aerospace and energy that require high-purity material. Technological innovations, such as AI, are creating rapid semiconductor market growth. Ferrotec is manufacturing 8-inch wafers for semiconductors to take advantage of these opportunities. Silicon wafers are thin, flat wafers, sliced from high-purity silicon called ingots. They are roughly 1 millimeter thick, and their surfaces are carefully polished and washed. These silicon wafers are used in the manufacturing of semiconductor devices. With the arrival of the IoT era, various devices, such as home appliances, automobiles, and remote medical devices, are being connected to networks. For example, a large number of sensors have been installed in urban areas, factories, automobiles, and other locations, and these components typically require 8-inch silicon wafers, which hold a great deal of promise for future growth.